I'm still going to do, it's still working over here. I still have water. I'm still going to go and do another cycle. It should come out virtually dry. It should come out virtually dry. Yeah. And I'm going to speed up the process because I'm now just going to use this microfiber cloth. This isn't for drying. What I'm doing is I'm removing that excess water that now is actually being pooled on there. Again, it should be dry when it comes out because this is only 2% of diol. So if I just remove that water, I don't dilute this. So this is, you know, full potency for the charge. But knowing my record, this will be the last cycle. There we go. Oh yeah, you can see now you don't have that white material at all. It's just evaporated.
Should have gotten closer because I didn't see the white material on here before.
Oh, we're going to do some more records, so you're my record man here today. There we go. And again, you know, you just can't put a record in an ultrasonic, press a button, and 5 minutes later it pops out dry. Because you need to change the charge of the record. You just can't put soap in a machine and just let the unit run. It does absolutely nothing. It'll do a, you know, surface clean. It'll make the record look shiny, but is it going into the groove? That's why we're the only people that talk about gain out of a new record and out of a vintage record, 3 to 4 dB. And it brings up the breadth. You know, we have Lynn Stanley, we have Ambisson, we have Vincent Belanger. Vincent is a cellist. Is the audio note ambassador because the cello is the hardest musical instrument to replicate. And he signs his records personally with this machine in his studios.